lost fairing.
I don't think it'll fit in the saddlebag.
All right, we got the whole fairing. You don't got a camera going, do you?
No, I wish I did.
Yeah, well, my camera was going, but I don't know if it got you.
Yeah.
Fairing, babe.
Yeah.
I was looking at you.
We'll just ride like this.
Bearing down. Oh, let's put it in this saddle.
It should be good. Maxi installed fairings.
Yeah.
Maxi installed fairings.
I ripped that off with the fry-on, baby.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, man.
It was when I came down from a wheelie. Yeah.
That's always when they bust off.
All right, baby, you can start going. What a good picture right here. Wristy looking fresh with the heel light, the new fanny, the custom MAXWRIST fairing. It was barely hanging on. Oh God, it cracked. Dude, that's
Hey.
Dude, that's
oh my God. Dude, my frame is cracked.
His frame?
Dude, my frame is cracked.
His frame is cracked, look.
My whole frame cracked. Oh my God.
From slamming it down so much, man.
Dude, that's fucked. That's fucked. Yeah, his frame is cracked.
Yeah, that's the first thing I seen when I got off the bike. Was your frame was cracked.
All right, time to get out the Bondo. No, but seriously. You see this?
See Bondo section. It's cracked, look.
My whole frame is cracked.
He always comes down hard, though.
No, I hit neutral, I think, on that one, and switching from first to second. And when I do that, it comes down real hard. But not crack the frame hard.